AK sounds comparison. CSGO 2015 versus 2023 in CS2. Which one do you like the most? Ah! Oh my fucking god! Kill me. That is unbearable. Jesus! Now I see why people say that CS makes you acoustic. Bro. Much more enjoyable. I still don't know about this. It's more bassy. It feels more powerful. There's something to this. It is even easier on the ears. That's for sure, right? It's not as bright as this, but oh my god. They went deeper, made it easier, and now it's like the highs are fully gone. I wonder, what does Reddit think, bro? For me, it's between between 2016 and currently. My tinnitus from playing this game is definitely happy. They changed the sounds. Yeah. The new CSGO sound. The old one was too damaging on the ears. Anything but old CSGO. I prefer being able to hear. Yeah.